Hi guys. Me. I'm gonna going to do uh like the fashion hair beater, which is from Girls Creator, and yeah, I'll show you now. Oh, this is it. And it's a fashion hair beater. It's like from a Girls Creator, and it's like five. And this is the model, and she's really pretty. So it says here that simple is a sparkling glitter and trendy shape beads add sparkle and fun. Uh, warning: talking hazard, small part. Okay. And here, let's move here. It's like made in China. Number MBK203. And here, I couldn't understand, but I will let you read about it. Okay. Look for that light there. Uh, and yeah, the shape. I'm gonna going to open it. Fashion hair beater, as you can see. Fashion hair beater. Let's take a little review about it. And here's the instructions. It's really pretty, and I like her. So, for my hair, I'll just open it. This is the latest design that they got. As you can see, it got this lever, hair beater, and this is the lever. This couldn't be pushed, but here, as you can see, I will push it, it will goes up. And look, okay, I'll teach you. Push and up. Now, these are the little comb here, the beads, and they are really beautiful. I'll show you. I'm just eating, candy. And yeah, so this is like the instructions. It's very cool, right? Instruction. Now, yeah. This is another bead. Okay. Yeah, look at it, and yeah. Now, hey guys, this is for watching, and I've enjoyed it. Bye bye.